Hello everyone, this potato corn salad is so delicious, it's going to blow you away. Ever since I made it the first time, I just cannot stop making it again and again. It's a fresh, creamy and packed with a flavor, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you. First, we're going to cut 3 potatoes into small to medium size cubes. We're going to start by preparing all our veggies, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now thinly slice 2 carrots. You can also grate it into long strips. Once you're done with the carrots, thinly slice 1 bell pepper. I used red bell pepper for this. You can use any color that you want or you have in hand, or you can use 2 different colors. Lastly, slice 1 white onion into long thin strips as well. Now to give our salad a nice kick, I'm going to add some pickles to this salad. About 1 cup of pickles. Now add some oil in a pan over high heat. By the way, this is not a healthy salad, this is just a very delicious salad. And fry the potatoes. You can also bake it or fry it on the air fryer if you want. By the way, if you haven't subscribed already, now is the perfect time. I've got so many delicious recipes coming your way. Once it softens and gets a nice golden brown color, add some salt and black pepper. Mix the spices with the potato, then take it out. In the same pan, add some more olive oil and sauté all your veggies. I'm sautéing each veggie on its own, but you can grab a bigger pan and sauté them all at once. We're not looking here to fry our veggies, we just want to soften them a little bit. And it is okay if your carrots are not fully softened, they will soften later on with the dressing. If you're sautéing your veggies one by one, each veggie will take from 2 to 3 minutes to soften. Lastly, I'll add some more olive oil and sauté my bell pepper. Once you are done with the veggies, it's time to make our dressing. In a bowl, add half a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a pinch of salt and black pepper, and the juice of 1 lemon, then I'm adding a teaspoon of dill. It completely transforms the flavor. If you're not a fan, you can skip it, but I really recommend keeping it in. Now just mix until everything comes together into a creamy, delicious dressing. Next, toss in all your sautéed veggies into a bowl, along with your pickles and a cup of sweet corn kernels. Pour in that dressing and give everything a good mix until it's all beautifully coated. And there you have it, a fresh, creamy potato corn salad that's bursting with flavor. This is a creamy potato corn salad that is ready to enjoy. It's fresh, full of flavor, and perfect for any meal. as a side to barbecue chicken or steak, or as a lunch on its own. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment to tell me what would you like to watch next, and subscribe so you don't miss more easy delicious recipes like this one. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.